For this task, I would like you to have a go at drawing these 2D plan door symbols. As you can see, this drawing will allow you to practice your 2D drawing skills and using the tools and modifying tools and dimensions that we've been learning so far. And I would like you to consider your use of layers. So you can see that on my drawing I've got two layers, one called door symbols and one called dimensions. Below this video there is a PDF handout that you can use to recreate these drawings, and they've got all the dimensions and everything that you're going to need included. And these door symbols will be really useful to you in your drawing of set designs and buildings in the future.